This is one of the almost 2,000 seedlings of Buko Pandan aromatic coconut na nakuha ko yung seedlings kay Alex Mansilla ng Matling, Malabang, Lanao del Sur many years ago. And actually, ito originally was not shared to other farmers. It was exclusively propagated in Matling. But later on, Alex decided to share it with other farmers. And I was able to get a lot of this, no? Including si Ramon Floresta na makilala also got a lot of this. Maliliit lang sila, hindi pang kopras kasi ito eh. Ito yung high value coconut. At ito yung pinopropagate ng Thailand. Ito yung aromatic at saka sweet water coconut. Because their target is tourism. Their target is high value product. Tayo na naman kasi ang nagfo-focus pa sa kopras. Although we're not discouraging people from planting coconut for copra production sapagat mataas ang presyo ngayon, we should also look at the high value side of coconut farming. And this is one of those. Can you imagine, ang seedlings nito is 500 pesos at least. Sa farm gate nila is Gakad, 500 pesos yan. So you can just imagine ilang 500 pesos to isang puno na ito.